Up here in Hoover, Alabama. I'm about to get right to see the high school, but there was a TV show on MTV. I think I said this in the last vlog or earlier, I can't remember, but the Hoover Beavers, they were on a TV show called Tour Days. The quarterback John Parker Woodson was on there. He went to be on, I think, the Alabama quarterback. Anyway, just finishing up. Had 2 waffles with the all-star breakfast. I'll get on the next clip. This Waffle House is like straight on the side of this mountain. Ah, there's a fail. Can't see up it, but it's so beautiful here, man. It looks so much taller in person. That'd be fun for my longboard. I thought it looked like a baseball stadium.
Yeah, the 707 camps down there. Yeah, we right in the middle of Alabama. This car will be. I mean, that building goes way down yonder, and just as far back as you, I got to let it go. Somebody's behind me. I'm gonna go circle around.
Got the practice field over here. You got a softball and a baseball and then whatever. But guys, this school is absolutely massive. Talked to some people, they say they call it University of Hoover High School. So freaking huge. It's crazy. This is only one side. It's crazy how far it goes back around. It's ridiculous. I've never seen a high school this big. Or even this is actually bigger than some colleges I've seen. Or a lot of colleges I've seen actually. Anyway, I'm about to walk down here.
Alright guys, here's setting up the booth. I'm freaking hot as ball sacks, but what it's looking like so far. I got a little bit of stuff. Just putting some of the koozies on now. Just been sorting all the shirts. Got some more shirts over here. Had 6 of every size, been taking 3 of every size and putting them on the table. The rest are going under the tables. All the youth size and stuff. And then still got to sort through this box. Not 100% done, but I'm gonna be hanging some more shirts up here, putting more lights on. And but it's what's looking like, starting to shape up. Then we'll have a rack here. We can put shirts on and be able to go through it. Those calves though. It's now 4:12, but I have this plain grilled chicken sandwich. Actually a good little amount. I mean, that whole breast and this little teeny bit from Milo's. I asked somebody about it. My dad just brought it back to me, but somebody was saying it's like McDonald's, but way better. Anyway, about to have this. And I looked it up on my Fitness Pal and it said it was 260 calories, 3 fat, 28 protein. I forgot what the carb said, but so I'm just gonna run with that. It sounds like it'd be decently accurate. Holy crap, look at this beast of a thing, man. Recording doesn't even do it justice. Imagine getting freaking ran by that, man. You'd be going real quick like. Wow. That's a beast right there too. That's wild. Anyway, I'm just walking the bottom what'd you say? Okay. I thought he said something. Anyway, walking the bottom room. I don't know if you can tell. Walking the bottom. There's 2 floors to this show, so I'm walking the bottom now. Not everybody's set up yet. Look at this thing. That's crazy. Not everybody's set up yet, but I'll give y'all a full tour in the next few days when everybody's set up during the show. You know, walk around, take a little break or something. I'll show y'all what's going on with everything here that it has to offer and everything that's set up. Oh yeah, dog. Go get me a steak, baked potato.
Not that he's really got massive people piling on him and he's running over people.
I'm supposed to have another white baked potato as well.
Another potato?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hang on.
Another one. Out here, there's a USA 7-on-7 championship. There's some on another field back around the corner. They got a few more fields, but they got 2 fields full here. So it's basically the top, basically in the U.S., the top high school teams in the country. 7-on-7, 40 different schools, best of the best. Be going to all the big universities, all the way from Tennessee, Illinois. I mean, everywhere, probably from about every state, just about. Semi-pro baseball team arena, stadium.
As soon as our next game's over,
Got the Clemson recruit quarterback right there, or Wake Forest. I can't think of which one. I think that's the one. It's one in Clemson though, right here, number 7, quarterback. Number 12 right here. Pretty good looking athlete.
Look on the other side. Hey! Take it to work! It is, man.
where we went try to park it, and make the park way around the corner. Walk in and out.
During that time, okay, but we're going to be prepared and ready to come out and get fast.
To continue on to what Boone was talking about in terms of opening it up, how does that work? Do you go to Cam Cameron and say, this is what we need to do and it's going to look a little different? Or do you